Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 4? I hope you will be fine. Here is your teacher, Mrs. Nala, with the subject of English grammar. Today we are going to do two exercises about subjects and predicates on page number 6 and page number 7 of your English grammar. First of all, you must be having a clear idea about the definition of subject. The subject names the person or thing that the sentence is about. A simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in the complete subject here. Now here is one very good example for you people. If I say Amjad goes to school daily, grammatically it is a complete sentence here. Okay, it is a very good sentence. Now in this sentence, Amjad is doing something, is doing a work. Amjad will be called simple subject here. Now, if I give more elaboration about Amjad, or if there is extra detail about Amjad, and I say my brother Amjad goes to school daily. Now, these three words, my brother Amjad. So, these three words will collectively constitute complete subject here. Now, these are more examples. The boys play football. He wins the match. Amir goes to school. So, here you will find subjects here like boys, he, and Amir are subjects. What about predicates? Predicate always include verb and object here. Predicates always include verb and object here. I will show you a picture. You can see here subjects. Now subjects and predicate. These are the two main ingredients or organs of one sentence here. Johnny opened the umbrella. Now Johnny is subject. Opened the umbrella. So this part of the sentence will be called predicate because opened is a verb and umbrella is object here. In simple words, you can say the part of the sentence other than subject will be called predicate. You can also say if you delete subject from the sentence, the remaining part of the sentence will be called predicate. Like you can see in the last example, he is holding a star. Now he is a subject, but is holding a star, is holding a star. These four words will make predicate. Now on page number 6 we are going to find what are subjects, what are predicates, what are complete subjects and what are complete predicates here. Very simple exercise, I hope you will enjoy it. This is our page number 6 here. It comprises two exercises, exercise A and exercise B. Page number 6 of your English grammar book. Read each sentence and circle the complete subject, then write simple subject on the line provided. The young boy rode the bus to school. Now, young boy will be circled because it is a complete subject and boy is a simple subject. My teacher, Mrs. Hill, likes museum. Now, Mrs. Hill is a simple subject which will be written in accordance with the instruction of the question on the line. And my teacher, Mrs. Hill, is a complete subject that will be circled. Similarly, you will do question number 3, 4 and 5. You will circle complete subjects and write simple subjects on the line. Children, Anna and dog in sentences 3 and 4 and 5 are respectively simple subjects here. Now come to exercise B. Here you will do work about predicates. What is a complete predicate will be circled and what is a simple predicate will be written on the line. Like in number 6, we walk to the park. Walk to the park is a complete predicate, so I have circled it. Walked, only walked, that is actually an action verb, will be written on the line. Now walked is a simple predicate. Number 8 sentence. I cooked a delicious dinner. Now I have made a circle around these four words, cooked a delicious dinner, because these four words are referring to a complete predicate. But only cooked will be a simple predicate. Mom works hard all day. Now works is a simple predicate. Works hard all day will become complete predicate. Hopped away quickly will become complete predicate which will be circled, and only hopped will be called a simple predicate. So far we have done our two exercises on page number 6. Now we will move towards the next exercise on page number 7 here. Here page number 7, it's the same almost. We are talking about subjects and predicates. But what is the difference between page 6 and 7? On page number 7, we will be tracing out compound subject and compound predicate. If two persons are doing one action, then it will be called compound subject. Okay? And if one person, one thing, one animal is doing two or more than two works or jobs simultaneously at the same time, then it will be called compound predicate. Okay, so what is a compound subject or compound predicate? You will underline, and on the line you will write the status. Like you can see in number 3, we could drive or walk to school. Now we is only a simple subject, but we will not touch anything about simple subject. Or okay, what you have to do, you will draw a line under compound predicate, drive or walk, and also on the line you will write compound predicate. You can see number 5, Aunt Eleen and Uncle Will live down the block. Now these two names are compound subjects, so I have written compound subject on the line, and also I have drawn a line under these two names. Like number 2, mom and dad rented a car for the vacation. Now mom and dad will become compound subject. Like you can say number 9, the teachers and students crowded into the auditorium. Now these two different entities are groups, one group of teacher, another group of students. They are gathering at one place. Okay, so they are two different kind of groups are doing one action, so it will be compound subject. Last one, did you draw a picture or use a clay? So draw a picture or use a clay will become compound predicate. You can see number 4, my little sister whine, fuss and cry at bedtime. So these three verbs or actions will be called compound predicate. It's a very good exercise. I hope you will have written complete answers with proper corrections. And also one thing, please don't commit any spelling mistake. There should be proper spacing between compound predicate or compound subject. All the best wishes. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.